How to reduce silent inflammation in the body naturally. Hey there! Have you ever experienced bloating, acne, or even just a general feeling of not so great? Probably yes. Well, believe it or not, these could all be signs of silent inflammation in your body. This video will share some proven natural ways to combat it and get you feeling your best. So grab a snack, preferably one of the anti-inflammatory foods I'm about to mention, and let's get started. You've probably heard of inflammation before. This is a natural and necessary process that occurs in the body as a response to injury or infection. When your body detects an invader, such as a virus or bacteria, it sends out white blood cells to attack and destroy it. This process is inflammation in action, and it helps to speed up the healing and repair of your body. It may manifest as redness, swelling, and pain. However, not all inflammation is visible to the naked eye. In fact, some types of inflammation occur internally and can be difficult to detect. This is known as silent inflammation. Silent inflammation can be caused by several factors, including a lack of a healthy diet and exercise. Stress can also be a cause. Over time, this chronic low-level inflammation can contribute to a range of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. The tricky thing about silent inflammation is that it often doesn't produce any noticeable symptoms. This means that people may be unaware that they have inflammation until it leads to a more serious health problem. There are different types of inflammation. It can be acute or chronic. Acute inflammation is a short-term response that typically occurs in response to an injury or infection, while chronic inflammation can last for weeks, months, or even years. In addition to the negative health effects, chronic inflammation also leads to visible signs such as acne, eczema, and joint pain. By reducing inflammation in the body, you can not only improve your internal health, but also improve your external appearance. Causes. As mentioned, silent inflammation can be caused by a variety of factors, and many of them are related to human modern lifestyles. Here are some of the most common causes. Diet. Eating a diet that is high in processed foods, refined sugar, and unhealthy fats can cause inflammation in the body. On the other hand, eating a diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can help to reduce inflammation. Stress is another major contributor to chronic inflammation. When we experience stress, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that can trigger inflammation. Lack of sleep. When we don't get enough sleep, our bodies don't have a chance to properly repair and restore themselves, which can lead to inflammation. Sedentary lifestyles, which involve prolonged sitting and little physical activity, are becoming increasingly common in many parts of the world. Research has shown that sedentary behavior can contribute to chronic inflammation, which can lead to a range of health problems. This is because when the body is inactive for extended periods, it produces less anti-inflammatory cytokines, which are molecules that help to regulate the immune response and prevent inflammation. Finally, exposure to environmental toxins, such as pollution and pesticides, can also contribute to chronic inflammation. To minimize your exposure to toxins, try to eat organic foods, filter your water. Treatment. Thankfully, there are several natural ways to prevent or reduce silent inflammation, and one of the most effective ways is through a change in diet. Certain foods contain anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body while others don't. Food options you could shift to. Herbs like turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, garlic, chili peppers, cayenne, and black pepper have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries contain antioxidants that help fight inflammation. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that have great anti-inflammatory properties. Dark leafy vegetables such as kale, spinach, collard greens, and Swiss chard contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory nutrients. Nuts like walnuts and almonds are rich in healthy fats that reduce inflammation. Olive oil is another healthy fat that has anti-inflammatory properties. Whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats contain fiber and other nutrients that reduce inflammation. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain polyphenols that reduce inflammation. Legumes like chickpeas, lentils, and kidney beans are high in fiber and protein, which help reduce inflammation. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation. Finally, cucumber contains vitamin C and caffeic acid, which have anti-inflammatory properties. In addition to incorporating these foods into your diet, other natural ways to reduce inflammation include drinking lemon water, which helps hydrate the body and repair damaged tissues. Apple cider vinegar, when mixed with water, can also reduce inflammation. 2. Incorporating exercise into your lifestyle. Besides diet, regular exercise is a great way to reduce silent inflammation. When you start moving, synovial fluid in your joints gets pumped, which helps to reduce inflammation. This means that exercise not only benefits your cardiovascular system and muscle strength, but it also helps to reduce inflammation in your body. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise per day, such as walking, cycling, or swimming. You can also try incorporating weight-bearing exercises like strength training and yoga into your routine. Making lifestyle changes can be challenging, but small changes can lead to big results in reducing silent inflammation. So, start moving today! But before we go on, please subscribe to my channel to stay updated on all the latest health and wellness tips and tricks. 3. Reduce stress. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but the way we deal with will greatly impact our health. Chronic stress can lead to increased inflammation in the body, which in turn can increase the risk of various diseases. One way to manage stress and reduce silent inflammation is through practices like meditation or yoga. These practices help to quiet the mind and reduce the production of stress hormones in the body. By incorporating just a few minutes of meditation or yoga into your daily routine, you can help to reduce the impact of stress on your body and promote overall health and well-being. 4. Sleep. Lack of sleep can increase the levels of cortisol, which is a stress hormone that can trigger inflammation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to help lower your cortisol levels and reduce inflammation. To improve your sleep, create a sleep-conducive environment in your bedroom by keeping it dark, cool, and quiet. Avoid screens before bedtime and establish a relaxing bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath or reading a book. Additionally, try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day to regulate your body's sleep-wake cycle. 5. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest and most effective ways to reduce silent inflammation. Water helps to flush out toxins from the body, which can contribute to chronic inflammation. When you're dehydrated, your body struggles to remove waste and toxins, which can lead to a buildup of inflammation in the body. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help keep your body hydrated and support healthy detoxification processes. In addition to water, you can also incorporate other hydrating beverages into your routine, such as herbal teas or coconut water. These can help to replenish electrolytes and provide additional anti-inflammatory benefits. So make sure to drink plenty of fluids every day to stay hydrated and reduce your risk of silent inflammation. 6. Regulate blood sugar levels. When blood sugar levels are consistently high, it can cause inflammation in the body. This is because high blood sugar levels trigger the release of inflammatory molecules in the body, which can damage tissues and organs over time. To manage blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation, it is important to maintain a healthy diet and exercise regularly. Foods that are high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. One surprising food that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, which are natural compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. However, it is important to note that dark chocolate should be consumed in moderation and as part of a healthy diet. Overconsumption of sugar, including in chocolate, can cause blood sugar levels to spike and contribute to inflammation in the body. Conclusion. So there you have it, simple yet effective ways to reduce silent inflammation naturally. Remember, the key is to make small lifestyle changes that you can sustain in the long term. What are some of your favorite anti-inflammatory foods? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.